Hello, good day. So in this tutorial, we'll be looking at how to create a very simple Navbar. So with much ado about nothing, just go ahead to it. So let's change this my portfolio. Yeah, this is better. Yeah, my portfolio, and then come here to how we get up. So body, you're going to have a header. Sorry, header. You have a nav, and then inside the nav you have a UL element. So inside the UL, this I'm going to give it a class of nav head, and then this I'm going to give it li, and then the class is nav item. And inside this, I'll add an E element, and then say the class is nav link. You can use any class you want, okay? You can use any class, it will work. We are not using any framework here. Let's put hash here. And then, so the name for this, I'll just say, sorry, food. And I'm going to duplicate, let me quickly do this. So I'm just going to duplicate this. Sorry, yes. I'll say 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're going to have home, my project, my skills, what about me, and the next one is contact. So with this, I'm going to save the page using live server. So we check, and this is what we have. Okay, so let me just drop this to the side, and then we close. So okay, let me share this again. I'm back. Okay, yeah. So this is what we have. So we go to our style.css. Sorry, but before then, we have to link the style. So we just add a link CSS. So style.css. Okay, you can just type it in. This is a name. So take you to this place. Okay. So here, you see what the nav head. We'll give it background color, let's say black. Just okay, to me. Yeah, this is better. And then yeah, okay, and then display, and just say flex. To display flex, automatically have this. So flex direction, automatically it's row. So let's just leave it like that. We go to this later, and then yeah, this is what we have. So if you come to the nav item, which is, so you have the nav head, that's the UL. The nav item is the li, and then the nav link is the e. So you come here and you say list style, not disk. So you know list style, and you see none. Okay. Alright. I think that's all. So we come to the nav link, and we see added, we see 1 rem. I think that's okay. So you can see the space, and then see display block, on your display block, you can see you have our Navbar. So you just change the color to white, remove the background, sorry, the underline, by saying text decoration none, and then that's pretty much everything. So here we add nav link over. This simply means what should happen when you move the mouse over it. So when you move the mouse over it, let's change the background color to, let me just mix some colors. That's orange, nice. So when the mouse is over it, you have orange, right? That's nice. But then you see, this one is smaller, this is bigger, this is a little bigger, this is small. So we make them the same width by giving it a width of, let's say, 120 pixels. Okay, so you can see they are equally spaced. So here they are. Then just say, you see they are aligned to the left. So just say text align, just say center, and they are aligned to the center. That's all. But you can remove these spaces around it. So you come here, I prefer to put this first. So body, see margin, this is 0 pixels, important. Yeah. So it's as we remove this. So let's come to the nav head. Let's just copy and paste everything. And then it's gone. So we have our Navbar here. Very nice, like that. As easy as that. So thank you for watching. So you can see everything. So have a nice view. Yeah. Alright. Bye.